Programang ito ay rated LPG. Labis na patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring makapaminsala pag napabayaan habang nagluluto ng sinigang, adobo, batchoy, okoy, ginataan. Ilayo sa mga bata na hindi mapaglaruan.
And good morning, Sir Aviles. So, we're going to make a dish called longanisa with a twist.
With the twist. With a twist.
With the twist. This is the ingredients that we will be using for making a longanisa with a twist. So, the ingredients are cornstarch, intestine of a pork, magic sarap, and Mama City adobo powder, black pepper, kinchay, fennel, and some sticks, and BC. And most especially the ground pork. Pero sinaba na namin dito yung carrots, bawang, tsaka yung sibuyas. So first, you need to put some magic sarap to the ground pork. Then after you put the magic sarap, just put a black pepper. After putting the black pepper, just put the kinchay. Then after putting all the ingredients, we're going to add some special ingredient, the Mama Sita adobo powder. Then we will put a 2 tablespoons of Mama Sita adobo powder to ground pork.
Wow.
We put vinegar. And soy sauce. And a little bit sugar. After putting the all ingredients, we will now mixing the ground pork. Make sure na walang matatapon if you mixing the ground pork. Add some cornstarch. Then mix it.
Naman mama, madali na. Pag nabuksan na. Oo. Pag nag-init na siya. Tawag na lang. Maanang S.
Then after mixing all the ingredients in the ground pork, now we will put the ground pork into intestine of a pork.
Then we put the
Ground pork to the intestine of pork to make a longanisa with adobo flavor.
wait at bumpanis.
This is the
This is our house.
And this is Arus.
Sige, siksik lang ng siksik.
Wala mo ito.
Before putting the ground pork, It's important that you wash your hands with your feet. Joke daw.
Ah, Wenchi.
Baka mag-
Easy lang, Rex.
Easy ka lang. Galit na galit.
I'm so excited.
Kala ko.
Chill.
Hindi talaga ako papasok bukas.
Sir.
Katamard.
We like
YOLO.
sir, it's already 9 o'clock p.m.
In the morning.
We still meet.
In the morning.
Malisan mo na.
Listen. You want faster?
Gaga ka.
Ba't ba mahaba?
Uy,
Tightly.
then after
Go
after
with- go.
putting the ground pork in the intestine, then you
Tay.
tie
Tightly.
tightly
Dabelit.
Tay.
And-
Tay.
deeply. Charing.
Then we cut it using a
Got
scissor.
it.
Yan, liliitan nyo lang.
Oh, it looks delicious, no?
Sali na rin dito.
Dadaan ka.
Dito, tali na dito.
So we get it. I'ma get it. So we get it. So we get it.
Hi, sir.
1, 2, 3. Itim na mukha ko. Game, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Dito mga.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Close up. Isa-isa tayo close up game.
Nagpulbos ka na eh.
Oh, hindi pa ako napupulbos 1, 2, 3, close up. Rex.
Ang ayaw mo kasang pa ako na.